Hey, what's going on, guys? So, wanted to do a quick video. Um, I've had the MX, I want to say Master MX. It's not called no MX Creative Console. I think that's what it's called. Sorry if you hear some background noise. It's probably my kids. But in any case, I've had it since May, and for the most part, I enjoy it. But I was trying to fine tune some things for Final Cut Pro, and I noticed that the sensitivity wasn't working um, for the trackball. As you can see here, I have the Logitech Option Plus app open. But if I go into the settings, for instance, let me delete this so I can, nope, no, there's Final Cut Pro. All right, so for Final Cut Pro, I have adjust the zoom. Yeah, adjust the zoom for the timeline. But if I go into the create adjustment, and I want to change the sensitivity, I can't. It just doesn't allow me to. So what I'm gonna do is cancel out, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. So what you want to do is delete the action, and then you want to create a new adjustment. And what you want to do is just drag the timeline zoom and to either, I think, up or down, doesn't matter. And you click it there. Now you can adjust the sensitivity. Because I was trying to zoom in and it's just kind of going crazy. I'm like, I don't want to zoom in that much. So it's a bit overkill. But as you can see, if I go back in now, I can click save. So yeah, it's pretty. Hopefully they fix it in a future update. I just updated it. I think only thing I have an update for is Zoom, which I don't really use that much. But in any case, I've been enjoying using this. It's very flexible in terms of me changing the dials. For a long time, I normally use my MX Master mouse and my trackpad as a way to edit my videos, but I've kind of switched to this and I kind of like it because I have more buttons. But otherwise, if you have any questions about changing the sensitivity or questions related to Final Cut Pro and the Logitech MX Creative Console, just let me know. If you're interested in picking one up, I'll leave a link in the description as well. But yeah, just a quick way to resolve that issue. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one later. Bye-bye.